Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute dog house. So you can see that I'm using my red pen to draw a cute dog house. Here is the shape of the doghouse. Now I will be using my compass with a yellow pen in it to draw the sun. I'm coloring the sun with my yellow pen. Now I'm using my cyan colored highlighter pen to draw the house. Now I'm using my red pen again to draw a dog food bowl. I have written puppy here. Okay, now I'm using my brown pen to draw the dog food. I'm using my ruler and my green pen. Now I'm using my pencil to draw a bone. I'm using my green pen again. I'm using my light green pen to draw some grasses. And I'm using my green pen. I will fill this portion with the green color. I'm using my black marker pen to draw the door. Uh-oh, I have to use different black colored pen. And I'm using the same black pen to write puppy here. Let's draw a paw of puppy. Now I'm using my cyan highlighter pen to draw some clouds on the sky. Now I'm coloring with my cyan highlighter pen. Now I will be using my cyan colored crayon. Now I'm using my cyan colored pencil. My cyan crayon again. It was really tough. I'm using my ruler and my pencil. I'm using my pencil to create a nice grey color. Here is my ruler again. I'm using pale orange crayon. Wow, it's looking amazing! My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.